Hi guys, it's Mosha and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all about my box braids that we've done, the ombre box braids. I think I always just do ombre box braids. I don't think I've ever done, I have done black, but I was like bob, like a short bob. So normally I always do like different ombre colors. So this time I got blonde. I was actually going to do all blonde, but I just figured my hair is this color, so I thought I'll look for something similar to my hair color. So this was like the perfect combination, and I'm loving the braids right now. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, give this video a thumbs up. And without talking too much, let's get into the video. Alright, so I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about these braids, and then I'll give you a little demo at the end of this video. You can get to see what I got up to. I got this hair from Amazon. Just searched ombre, and then I happened to come across this color. So I got in a pack, they come like six of them. They come like this, packed six, like they pack two twos. I bought 2 sets of the 6 packets because I knew just 6 of them are not going to be enough. You know, these online hair, when you buy them, they're like so tiny. So that was definitely not going to fit all in my head. I've got three and a half packets left. How long did this take me? This took me like a whole day to do, because obviously you take breaks in between. I started around 11 and I finished around 8-ish. 8 at night. I didn't really show the whole process of me braiding the hair, because obviously I'm just doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. So all that I need to do now is just to dip the ends into hot water to finally seal the hair in, because I haven't done that yet and it's probably going to start unraveling. And yeah, so that's all I need to do, and then we're good to go. Bob your ankle. Okay, let me show you the length. They're quite long. Anyway, so yeah, I am wearing a onesie because I'm not going anywhere. So I got glad to do this video. So yeah, there's a onesie at the bottom, and that's what's going on. But anyway, yeah, I think that is all for this video. I will link the hair in the description box in case you want to get some for yourself. But anyway guys, I'm talking too much. I will see you in my next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts. Alright, enjoy the demo. Bye for now.
Hi guys, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair that has been blow dried and pre-sectioned into mini twist. This makes the job easier so that I don't have to stop and start parting my hair all over again. And this is the hair that I'm using. I was so lucky to find an actual you know, color that suits and or matches my hair. So all I'm doing here is sectioning off this part of the hair and then beginning to braid. I'm pretty sure, maybe I'm being ignorant, but I feel like everybody knows how to braid. But if you don't know, I have done several videos on box braids, and I will link them in my iCards and in the description box below, so that you guys can get a more of a detailed view on how to do box braids. This is just a quick demo to show you, you know, how I did this hair, particularly the knotless DIY box braids. I'm calling it knotless, but this is how I've always done my hair. This is how I always do my braids. They've always been knotless, but apparently this is a new thing, but not to me. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing, and then I continue on to braid my hair on the second part. I was a bit rough at the beginning because it's been a while since I did box braids, you guys. So yeah, it does get better. And so I finish off the ends, and then I move on to the next section. And yeah, at the front I use sort of smaller sections just so that I'm not pulling on my edges. I didn't want to make the braids bigger and then it will be heavy on my hairline. So yeah, I made smaller sections for that part. So yeah, and then I just continue on braiding until I was done. So this pre-sectioning thing really helps, you guys. You should try it instead of having to stop and whether, you know, checking whether it's right and whatnot. I did this the night before and it helped me get through this braiding process very, very quickly. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video and hopefully you will enjoy the music. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.